Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about Nutty Mike's IKeepItAll.com program and what you need to know. Why should you partner or not partner with this program? It is amazing to see what we're doing with this program. I am in this video going to go over the mailing list resources. You need to know about this and what make this thing work and what is going to make it work for you in 2023. It's going to be incredible. And we'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, welcome to the video. Turn your speakers up. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. It helps rank this video higher. It may give you 50 more years of good luck. Welcome to the video. I could not be more excited. IKeepItAll.com is exploding. And I want to invite you to come along with me for the ride. I'm telling you, if you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can win. This is my postcard that I am mailing. People are getting it. It's resonating with them. And I am mailing about 300 a week. And I'm bringing in member after member. There's my name and address, folks, if you want to come and get involved with it. And I could not be more excited. This website here flat out converts. It flat out converts like it's nobody's business. People are getting the postcard. It's resonating. They're watching the videos and they're getting started. It's just that simple. Proof after proof after documented proof. And not just one person making the money, all the money. And this is incredible. When you get an opportunity, guys, go through all the videos or as many as you can and make an informed decision to partner in this program. We're going to help a lot of people. Now my strategy is, guys, let me show you my strategy. I talked to Kurt, well, not talked to Kurt, but we were texting. What we're attempting to do, Kurt is one of our guys in the supplement grid. He's a big leader in the supplement grid. Incredible individual. Big shout out to Kurt and thank him what he's doing in our team. And welcome everybody to all the programs that we're running. What I am attempting to do is work the big ticket programs like the leverage profit system, the IKeepItAll.com's, what else? The $200 day flyer, the millionaire mailer, and the the Cree flyer, the $1,000 per week. Mail order, folks, is on fire. I am telling you what, mail order is just ripping to the upside. Income disclaimer, in life nothing happens till you take action, do a lot of it. But I am leading with right now upfront big ticket in your face money today. Make a sell today, you make $1,000. Make a sell today, you make $1,500. Make a sell today, you make $3,500. Is it possible? Absolutely yes. Is it happening right now? It is go time. Yeah, folks, I would encourage you to right now with faith, step out, get your money together, send in the required forms, and join. Get this marketing kit. This is your part of your product package. Nutty's going to send you a diamond. He's going to send you leads on, and then you can have them printed on pill and stick labels. He's going to send you a marketing kit that's going to have resources that's going to help build your business, build your integrity, build you as a marketer, and do it over and over again. And I'm telling you, it is amazing. The information that's in this marketing kit is worth its weight in gold. Today, in this video, what you need to know, I'm going to talk about the mailing list resources that are available. But before we do this, guys, let me show you something that just happened for one of our members. This is just astounding. He had a $20,000 day. Is it possible? Absolutely yes. I've got people right now, I've got about 2 or 3 people that are in the pipeline that are sending tracking numbers because they received my postcard in the mail. That is amazing to me. Can you join? Can you mail a postcard? And let me tell you, I don't have just one mailing list. See, people can create these illusions that, well, that one mailing list that I had wasn't that good. Folks, we have about 15 different mailing lists I'm going to talk about. Give me about 15 minutes. We're going to fly through this thing. Let's go inside the UPS store. Look at this.
Stack of mail in the case. And although this doesn't look too impressive, it has about $1,000 each and every envelope. So doesn't look like a lot of envelopes, but there's a lot here. So what there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Incredible.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $25,000 in postal money orders here, all made payable to me. So I'm gonna open the mail right here, right in front of you. This is a moment of truth that everybody's been waiting for. But we're gonna see what the cat dragged in this morning. Again, this is a typical morning for me. And inside this envelope is...
This is a typical morning. Folks, turn dreams in reality. Believe that it's possible. Take action. Partner alongside of me. Let me help you win. Get these mailing lists. Follow a proven plan. And you do it over and over and over again. Don't get the marketing kit mailed to your house and you never open it. But take action once you get it and do it over and over and over and over again. Folks, that's made me a wealthy person.
Lo and behold, $1,000. You can see that $1,000 that I received in this envelope. I'll put it down. That makes $26,000 that I got today. Also, I'm going to open this envelope here. And these used to be nothing but bills I used to receive. But here we go again. $1,000 right there. Another $1,000. So I want you to see that. Let's see what we got here.
That is incredible to me,
Another $1,000
folks.
right there. So let's keep on opening the rest of them.
I'm going to stop right there. He's just opening mail gone wild. Look at this, folks. I love this video. I love all of them, but just take a look at this thing here.
Okay, I'm going to pick up my mail.
Unbelievable.
Wednesday. Hi. I'm going to dedicate this video to all those that told me not to join this program. This is for you. For all those that say that this program does not work. Here you go.
Right now it is. I think it's 8.
One. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Fine so far.
19, 20. Got a pen? I got about 20 packages. So 20 altogether. Alright. So just sign all these?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can't believe this.
He said he cannot believe it. Look at that, folks. Just incredible. I mean, what in the world? When you get an opportunity, guys, go through the entire website, look at the video after video after video, and come down here and see. Oh, look at this. Looks like Timothy Thomas. There, y'all know this guy here, Turning Dreams in Reality. I go through the marketing kit, folks, and which I am getting ready to go through it right now. The mailing list. Look quickly here, and then you can look at the Nutty Mike story, how it works, and look at this. You can call Nutty Mike. Folks, guys, gals, there have been people that have joined me and they say, Tim, I just got off the phone with Nutty Mike. I cannot believe it. Now, I don't know at this point, can you talk to him physically? I don't know if the thing's so big, but hey, it's worth a try. But anyway, you can call me. My information below the video. I'll help you get started. And folks, I'm going to give you 3 rolls of stamps. I got 3 rolls of stamps that I'll give you for saying thank you for partnering with me. And I'll throw some leads in also. Now, one mailing list that we're using, look at his rags to riches story. Just incredible. And I'll go through that out, and then we'll go through the 3 easy steps to join. we have mailing list. One of them, data marketing. Bill Henderson as data marketing. Data marketing is one of our mailing lists. If you want data marketing information, let me know. I can email it to you, or I can, give you information. I'll give you Bill Henderson's phone number. He is the list owner. He owns it, and you can call him and you can get leads. All of these are on pill and stick labels. They're on pill and stick labels that you can peel them off and put them on your envelope. Incredible. MLMlabels.com is our number 2. MLMlabels.com. And some of the prices, guys, you can get 300 names for $35. 500 names for $50. 1,000 names. I usually order 1,000 at a time from each mailing list company. Sometimes order 2,000. And you can get 2,000 names for $140. And guys, it's powerful. Here's another Golden Rule. Golden Rule is a great little, mailing list company that I use. You can get 1,000 labels over there at Golden Rule for $85. I have the information for any of these flyers, guys. Just email me and let me know. Golden Rule is our next person. Direct Mail Essentials. Direct Mail Essentials. That's another mailing list that we are recommending for the Nutty Mike program. That is $98. $98. Direct Mail Essentials. And they will give you the ones on pill and stick labels. So, folks, I tell you, if you're ready to get started, just text me. I'll give you the instructions, or call me, and I'll make sure that you get those instructions to start earning these $1,000 payments. Folks, this is incredible to me. My next video is going to be talking about leverage profit system. Folks, we're getting $3,500 per sale on that program. And I got documented proof after document proof after document proof. Get started today, guys. It's very exciting. We have Leads by Mountain Marketing. Leads by Mountain Marketing. Give Donna a call. Donna will help you out, get you started. She's the list owner over there at Leads by Mountain Marketing. That's our 5th list. Our 6th list, Northco. Northco's been around forever. They're a good mailing list company. You get 1,000 names over there at Northco for $100. One of my favorites, Paul Wilson. Wilson's list down there in Florida. Down in Florida, you get 1,000 names for $68. List number 9. We're talking about Kurt Townsend's list. It's called The Mailing List. The name of it is The Mailing List. And Kurt's the list owner over there. You can get 1,000 hot buyer names for $75. Now, Jim Nelson has got a list of homegrown buyers names. You get 1,500 names for $100. Folks, at this time, I am now buying 1,000 names per mailing list. Now I'm texting them out. I'm spreading it out. Folks, it's exciting to spread out these names. You can't go wrong. And if you're using all these mailing lists over time, you will absolutely win. Why not? Also, you can buy as low as, 240 names at one time for $24. Here is JJLC Mailing List Company in Chicago. They have opportunity buyer names, and you can buy from them. You have Art Lamar. Art Lamar has a good list, and we'll go from there. So, guys, that's about 11 or 12 different mailing lists that I just went through. That's what you need to do. You need to have the mailing list, and you need to do it over and over and over and over again. And you too can start receiving $1,000 payments in 2023. Do you think it will be good beyond 2023? Folks, this program has the power to run the next few years, maybe the next 10, 15 years. How much money can we make with this program? It's possible when you put it to action. Step 1, guys, if you want to get started, get one postal money order, make it payable to Timothy Thomas down in the box. Make it payable to Timothy Thomas, or text me. I'll send you the information. Step 2, get another one for $2.99. I know the admin fee is up to $3.99, but I will honor the $2.99 admin fee. I will honor that for you. And get 12 books of stamps. Mail it all to me. I'll send you a tracking number where I mailed your 6 stamps and your admin fee to join the company, and you're off to the races. Folks, get that 100% diamond, and you will win. Can you make $1,000 a week this program? Absolutely. Can you make $2,000, $3,000? Absolutely possible. All right, folks, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye for now. Have a wonderful day. Until the next video.